Today I'll be demonstrating how to do a dry ice experiment. So I have my materials over here. Firstly, I have safety goggles, tongs to pick up your ice, a teaspoon, baking soda, cabbage juice, and gloves. So here I have my tray, and you can use plastic cups, but I use this glass jar, and I filled it up with water, as you see. So now I'm going to take my cabbage juice and I'm going to pour it into my water until the water turns purple. As you see, the cabbage juice mixes with the water, and the cabbage juice is a base indicator, and so that's what makes the water a purplish blue color. Now I'm going to take my tongs and my safety goggles. I'm going to put my safety goggles on, and I'm going to take my gloves and put those on also. Now I'm going to take my tongs, I'm going to use these ones, and then I'm going to go over to my dry ice. And I'm going to find some pieces that fit into the jar. And some of the pieces I get vibrate the metal because the pieces are so cold.
Explain what it is.
Okay, so I put 2 pieces in, and as you see, the bottom of the color is changing, and it's coming out sort of like a fog, and the bottom color is changing. That's why the dry ice is it's a acid. So when I drop the dry ice in, it automatically mixes with the water and cabbage juice and changes the color. So the bubbles is the dry ice coming up as a gas. So I'm gonna put one glove on and add a few more pieces. It's okay to add big pieces because they're gonna shrink as you put it in. So you can push on it a little bit. Sometimes it goes in, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't go in, you just take it out. So dry ice is it's basically the solid of carbon dioxide. This piece seems to be going in okay. Now I'm back, and now this time we're going to use baking soda. So same thing, same materials. So first I have my water and my tray. Then I'm going to take my cabbage juice. And as I said, it's a base indicator, so it turns the water purplish color. Now I'm going to take my baking soda and my teaspoon. I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm going to pour that into the jar. As you can see, it turns a greenish blue color. That's because baking soda is also a base indicator and turns the water and cabbage juice a color. So now I'm going to take my gloves and my tongs and get dry ice. So I'm gonna see if I can find some smaller pieces in here. So now I'm going to drop this into the bottle. There we go. Now the water's turning a blue, the water, cabbage juice, and baking soda are turning a bluish color. And that's because, and now it's turning purple, and that's because the dry ice is a acid, and it's turning the baking soda, cabbage juice, and water into an acid. That's why it's causing the color to change. Get a little more dry ice. And you can touch the foam, it won't hurt you, but don't stick your fingers inside the bottle, let's just say. So, that's my experiment.